This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity.
What if I told you there's a smartphone that looks like a piece of art, shoots like a DSLR, lasts all day, and charges before you even finish your coffee? The OPPO Find X8 Ultra. Probably the most complete Android flagship of the year. With 450 megapixel cameras, including dual periscope zoom, a massive 6100 mAh battery, blazing fast 100-watt charging, and a drop-dead gorgeous design, this phone isn't just ticking boxes, it's redefining them. But is it just hype, or is this really the Ultra phone we've all been waiting for? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the OPPO Find X8 Ultra might just be your next phone, or why it's not. Let's dive into the full review. Hey guys, Mikey here from Tech Maiky. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome tech videos. And friends, I've already uploaded the unboxing and first impressions video of the OPPO Find X8 Ultra. If you haven't watched it yet, you'll find the link in the description below and also in the card above. Do check it out. Let's dive into the design of the OPPO Find X8 Ultra. The morning glow color we tested is a subtle, low saturation pink that changes hues when light hits it at different angles, shifting between pink and white, a stunning visual effect that catches the eye. With AG matte technology, the phone offers a premium texture that feels smooth to the touch, while minimizing fingerprints. The understated pink shade challenges the typical Ultra phone design, which often tends to look bulky and business-oriented, giving this model a more fashionable, youthful, and trendy appeal. In terms of camera design, OPPO has kept the protrusion of the camera module impressively minimal. This is largely due to the use of a periscope lens system, which reduces the camera bump without compromising on image quality or functionality. The metal middle frame features an injection molded process with a matte finish, adding to the phone's premium feel while also making it more resistant to fingerprints. This design choice gives the device a solid, well-crafted feel in hand. Weighing 226 grams, measuring 8.78 millimeters thick, the Find X8 Ultra is on the larger side, but that's to be expected for a device packing a 6100 mAh battery. While it's definitely a substantial phone, it still performs well compared to others in the same category, especially when it comes to battery life and overall usability. Moving on to the display, OPPO has equipped the Find X8 Ultra with a 6.82-inch 2K BOE panel. While it's marketed as a flat display, it actually features 2.5D glass, creating a subtle curve where the screen meets the middle frame. This gives it a slightly more refined edge without fully going into curved screen territory. One of the standout aspects of this display is its ultra-slim bezels. The moment you power it on, the immersive experience is immediately noticeable. The visual clarity and brightness are impressive, offering a clean, vibrant, and sharp viewing experience that's great for media consumption and everyday use. Whether you're scrolling through apps, watching content, or gaming, the 2K resolution and large screen real estate really enhance the overall experience. It's a panel that not only looks great on paper, but truly shines in real-world use. The camera system is undeniably the standout feature of the OPPO Find X8 Ultra, positioning it as a true imaging powerhouse. On the rear, you'll find a quad 50 megapixel setup, 50 megapixel LIT900 main sensor, 1-inch f1.8 for high dynamic range and excellent low light performance, 50 megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide lens for expansive shots, 50 megapixel Sony LIT700 3x periscope telephoto macro lens, ideal for portraits and close-up shots, 50 megapixel LIT600 6x periscope super telephoto lens for long-range zoom, plus a 2 megapixel Danxia original color multispectral sensor to enhance color accuracy. Imaging performance. Photo samples reveal exceptional results across the board. The camera system benefits from Hasselblad color tuning, delivering rich, natural tones that are visually striking without being overly processed. The master tone mode adds depth and texture to images, making them feel professionally graded straight out of the camera. With 450 megapixel sensors, resolution is not a concern. More impressively, OPPO has achieved excellent color consistency across all 4 lenses, a challenge that relies heavily on both hardware calibration and software tuning. Zoom capabilities and portraits. The 3x and 6x periscope zoom lenses dramatically expand the phone's creative versatility. The 3x lens, roughly a 35mm equivalent, is especially well suited for portrait photography, delivering beautiful background blur with precise subject isolation and strong depth of field control. The addition of telephoto macro further enhances versatility. Whether you want crisp close-ups or natural background blur, you can toggle between styles based on your creative intent. Low light performance. In low light conditions, the Find X8 Ultra really impresses. Shots are clean, sharp, and low in noise, with excellent dynamic range. What stands out most is its color accuracy and white balance control, areas where many competitors struggle. Even under complex lighting, the Find X8 Ultra manages to reproduce colors faithfully, closely matching what you see with the naked eye. Performance-wise, the OPPO Find X8 Ultra comes with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, currently the best performing chip on any Android phone. In indoor conditions, its AnTuTu benchmark score reaches around 2.8 million, which is impressive. We also did a basic gaming test. While playing Honor of Kings with maximum graphics, highest frame rate, and full special effects turned on, the phone easily maintained a stable 120 FPS. Gameplay was smooth with no lag or frame drops, even during intense team fights. In Peace Elite, the experience was equally smooth. Even after long gaming sessions, the phone didn't heat up, making it comfortable to hold and use. One of the highlights is the Bionic Super Vibration 096T motor and dual stereo speakers. The vibration feedback and in-game sound effects feel immersive and realistic. It's especially fun for action games. You can clearly hear the direction of sounds, which helps with positioning and makes gameplay much more enjoyable. When it comes to software, ColorOS 15 on the OPPO Find X8 Ultra delivers one of the most refined Android experiences available today. It's fast, fluid, and highly optimized. OPPO has clearly polished the user interface over several iterations, resulting in a responsive, stable, and visually cohesive system that easily competes with the best in the Android ecosystem. Upgraded fingerprint technology. A major improvement this year is the single-point ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It addresses one of the key user complaints from the Find X8 Pro's lower-placed optical scanner, Flagship durability. The device also boasts IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, offering peace of mind for outdoor use, accidental spills, or rainy day scenarios. This dual rating ensures top-tier protection that's still rare among flagship smartphones. The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is equipped with a massive 60,100 mAh battery, setting a new benchmark for flagship endurance. Paired with 100-watt SuperVOOC wired charging and 50-watt wireless flash charging, this phone is built for users who demand all-day performance without compromise. Real-world battery test. We ran a few usage tests to gauge battery efficiency. Shosh, hour of gaming, Honor of Kings, 15% battery drain. 1 hour of streaming video, 8% battery drain. 1 hour of browsing news feeds, social media, 6% battery drain. Based on this usage pattern, the Find X8 Ultra comfortably lasts a full day on a single charge, even with moderate to heavy use. Fast charging that delivers thanks to the 100-watt fast charging. The device can be topped up rapidly, even during short breaks. And whether you're low on power in the middle of the day or need a quick boost before heading out, you can count on rapid energy replenishment without thermal throttling or battery anxiety. Talking about the price of the OPPO Find X8 Ultra, the base variant starts at 16,499 Chinese yuan in China and goes up 685 pounds in the UK. From a tech perspective, the OPPO Find X8 Ultra delivers a well-rounded flagship experience. It challenges the typical image of Ultra phones being purely business-focused by offering a sleek, fashion-forward design that resonates with younger users. In terms of specs, it ticks all the boxes: powerful performance, strong battery life, a polished OS and ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking that works fast and reliably. But where it truly stands out is in imaging, especially portrait and low-light photography. The camera system handles complex lighting conditions exceptionally well, outperforming many rivals in challenging scenarios. If you're someone who prioritizes photography and a unique design, the Find X8 Ultra is arguably the best choice among current Ultra flagships. And friends, tomorrow I'm going to upload the in-depth review video of the OPPO Find X8s. So to watch the review first, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. I'll soon be uploading a comparison video of this phone with other flagship phones, so stay connected with our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
All I got is working, never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm